today we're here in northern Dalarna, and more specifically at Fulufjället, which is the national park that has located in it Sweden's highest waterfall, which is called Njupeskär. The temperature is currently about -18, -19, but it's already been up to down to -30 during our travels up here today. We have about 2 kilometers that way, and we'll keep you informed as to our progress. Hi everybody, we have walked the 2 kilometers from the parking area at Njupeskär, and as you see over my left shoulder there is the waterfall without a great deal of water coming down it. It's completely frozen. This is as far as we can go because you'll probably notice over my right shoulder is an avalanche risk sign, and I really don't want to risk getting any closer with these steep cliffs either side of us. The snowpack is incredibly deep. It's actually been a hell of a long 2 kilometers, and now we're about to turn and struggle our way back through the woods. So, speak to you soon. Take care. Yeah, hi everybody. We've just finished walking down to the waterfall. But I just want to give you an idea of just how remote this place really is. If you want to be stuck out in the middle of nowhere, this well and truly is it. And it's about -18 degrees at the same time. So, all good fun in my books. See you soon. Bye bye. Now walking back to the car here at Njupeskär, just seen the waterfall, and just wanted to give you a little insight into how beautiful this place is when it's shrouded in snow. As gorgeous as it probably appears to you, it's also a little bit intimidating out here, because in the 2 hours that we've been walking so far, we've seen nobody, not one single person. Clearly people have been here because the path is reasonably well trodden, but when your car is the only vehicle in the car park, and when it's -18 to 20 outside with a couple of meters of snow around you, things do get a little bit concerning at times. But it is certainly beautiful. We're back at the beginning, or should I say the end, of the walk to Njupeskär waterfall, the highest waterfall in Sweden, or should I say the tallest icicle in Sweden today. It's taken us about 2 hours and 10 minutes through some of the most beautiful winter paradise I've ever witnessed. A walk I most definitely recommend to everybody, but there are many things that you need to consider safety wise. Very cold, a lot of snow, but a great day out. So highly recommended. Until next time, take care.